Hello everyone, welcome back again in the Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. Today I would like to share to you a tutorial on how you can get Google Form response in Excel. So as you know, Google Form response will show up or will be in the format of a Google Sheet, and I'm going to show you how to do that in Excel. So first, open your Google Form file first, and then here is the Google Form, and click on the response tab right here, and then click on this create spreadsheet to import it to Google Sheet, to import the response into Google Sheet. So click on this and then click on create. Okay, so the response has been imported into the Google Sheet, and then if you want to have it in Microsoft Excel file, just go to the file and then click on download and choose Microsoft Excel like this. Click on that and then wait for the download is finished, and then you can just open the file in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so just like that, the Google Form response has been imported or has been added into the Microsoft Excel. It's so easy, right? Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.